The Shahada is the declaration of faith in Islam. It is the first of the 5 pillars of Islam. By sincerely reciting it and truly believing in it with all your heart, a person enters Islam. How to recite the Shahada? Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan rasulullah. I will recite the Shahada slowly. Please repeat after me. Ashhadu anna la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan rasulullah. Conditions of the Shahada 1. Believe it sincerely. You should truly believe in your heart that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah and that Muhammad is his messenger. 2. Say it willingly. The Shahada must be said by your own free choice without being forced. 3. Understand its meaning. You should know what the Shahada means and accept its message. Do I need witnesses? Although it is recommended to recite the Shahada in front of witnesses at a mosque, it is not a condition for accepting Islam. As long as you sincerely believe in the Shahada and recite it for the sake of Allah, you become a Muslim. Many scholars recommend performing Ghusl after accepting Islam as a symbol of purification and a new beginning. However, becoming a Muslim begins with sincerely reciting the Shahada and believing in its meaning. Reciting the Shahada is the beginning of a beautiful journey. Remember, no one is expected to know everything from day one. Islam is a path of continuous learning and growth. If you'd like to learn how to pray, perform wudu, or discover the basics of Islam, be sure to check out the other videos on this channel.